we're going to be learning about earth science. More specifically, we're going to be learning about how to use page 16 of your earth science reference table. This is properties of common minerals. To start, minerals have many different types of ways that we can classify them. There's luster, hardness, cleavage, fracture, common colors, distinguished characteristics, uses, mineral name, and composition. These are all different things off of page 16 in your earth science reference table. To start, luster. There are two types of luster, metallic and non-metallic. Metallic is very shiny and will look like metal. Non-metallic is not shiny and will not look like metal. The next thing we go to on the scale is hardness. Hardness is determined by scratching your mineral against a piece of glass. Glass has a hardness of 5. If your mineral scratches this glass, it is harder than the glass and has a hardness harder than 5. If it does not scratch the glass, it has a hardness less than 5. The next thing we go to is cleavage or fracture. This is when the rock is broken, how it breaks. If you look at the picture on the bottom of the slide, you'll see a good example of cleavage. It looks like boxes are almost cut out of it. If you were to smash a rock and you would have perfect nice boxes or close to it, then this would be cleavage. Fracture would be if it was just a random pattern of breakage. Next, we go to common colors. This is pretty self-explanatory as you just look at the color. Next, we go to distinguished characteristics. There's many different things. For example, some of them are attracted to metal. And another thing you'll see in distinguished characteristics is streaks. Streaks is how you find the streak of a mineral. Is you take a clay tile, and then you take the mineral and scratch it on the clay tile. It'll then leave a colorful piece. It'll look like you almost took a piece of chalk and wrote on it. This color is its streak. Some minerals don't have any streak. The next thing on the chart is uses. This is more if once you find your mineral, if a question was to say, what mineral could I use in a common day application, then you can look in this column. Then comes the mineral name. So, if you were to use this chart, you would first start by looking at the luster. That would limit you to the section of the chart. Then you would go and find the hardness. That would further make your search smaller. Then you go for cleavage or fracture, which would have then narrowed down your search. And then common colors, distinguished characteristics, and now you have your mineral name. That's all you need to know about minerals, and good luck.